This is all given to me in exams, okay? And if it isn't given to me in exams, what I do is I use the periodic table and I find the number. Do we understand?
Yeah.
So we find the mass number using the periodic table. The first thing we do is we break it up and think which elements do we have. So which elements do we have? We have calcium, we have sulfur, and we have oxygen. Then we look at the periodic table and think, what's the mass number of calcium? So can you look up here, because we've got this information up here, but if we didn't have it up here, we would use our periodic table. So here it tells us the calcium's mass number is 40, so we write 40. Sulfur's mass number is 32, and oxygen's mass number is 16. Right, how many calcium atoms do we have? Is there a small number over here?
No, you don't have calcium.
So we've only got one calcium. How many sulfur atoms do we have? Do we have a small number next to sulfur?
No.
No, so we have just one. And do we have a small number next to oxygen?
Yeah, you can do that.
So we have 4 oxygen, so we times it by 4. Then we do the answers to these. 40 times 1 is 40, plus 32 times 1 is 32, and 16 times 4 is... How many calculators?
64.
64, good. Now, if we add all of these together, what does it give us?
Yeah, 136.
Zara, what did you get?
136.
Excellent, well done both of you. So we have just calculated the relative formula mass. Now that sounds like it's a very complex topic, but in fact all we're doing is breaking down the compound, looking at which elements there are, and looking at how much of each element there is, finding the mass number and multiplying it by the number of atoms there are.